All right, Tennessee Valley, good Sunday afternoon to you. We do have a low-end severe weather risk tonight, mainly from the Sequatchie Valley and points west. It's a level 1 marginal risk with a level 2 slight risk from I-65 in Nashville points west. Now, that's going to be where the greater severe potential is going to be, even though it is the slight risk. The greater severe risk will be in western Middle Tennessee into West Tennessee and Mississippi. But we still want to be on guard, though, in case a few storms try to turn severe later tonight, mainly between in our area around the Chattanooga area between about 7 p.m. and 3 a.m., a little earlier as you go further north and west towards Nashville, Jackson, and Memphis. So let's just time this out and everything here with this modeling here. And again, the main threats here for tonight will be gusty winds and hail. Tornado threat here, I believe, is going to be very low, and it shouldn't be much of a factor. But again, don't be surprised if you get a warning or two that calls for a tornado or you get a spin up or two. But again, I think that chance is very low, and it's pretty much almost zero the further east you go, especially get further east of the Sequatchie Valley. So let's get this timed out here via predictor here. This is the HRRR model. No storms start developing later this afternoon out in West Tennessee, so Dyersburg, Jackson, Memphis, Paris, Martin, those areas. Then those will move into towards Nashville by the time we get towards sunset, and then move farther east from there. Again, everything's going to move from west to east, and again, these storms could pack heavy rain, lightning, some gusty winds, and perhaps a little bit of hail in them. Hail shouldn't be too large, but enough that it'll be a little noisy. And notice here as we get towards this time here, it says 8 o'clock. Notice the storms are approaching our western counties, and that's why I have the general time frame at 7 p.m. to 3 a.m. Number one, because I cover a large area, and number two, it allows a little bit of room for error in case the storms were to arrive a little earlier. So those will move east, and notice as they get closer to Chattanooga, they will actually begin to weaken. Now that's going to be because the main upper air support is going to be moving out with time. So as the dynamics gradually weaken during the nighttime tonight, that should really help weaken these thunderstorms with time and really turn them into mostly just some good solid soaking rains and some thunder and lightning, which we need the rain for sure because we have all the brush fires and stuff that have been happening. That will really help with that and help out with these dry conditions. So we need the rain, we'll get that. Again, there could be an isolated, stronger, severe storm that pops up with a little bit of small hail or gusty winds, especially in East Tennessee, North Georgia, maybe, but I don't expect anything significant out of that. Then from west to east Monday morning, the rain will move out, and that will lead to some really nice weather we're going to have for the upcoming work week. Highs will be mostly in the 60s and 70s here as we go through Monday through Thursday. Then notice as we get towards the weekend here, next weekend, look at these numbers. We're going to be up close to 80 for highs by the time we get towards Friday and then next weekend, so next Saturday, next Sunday, just as we're closing out March. So, and there are some signs here as we get towards late next Sunday into next Monday. There might be another storm system that may bring some more rainy / storm